यहाँ पे गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. हाउ आर यू? हाउ आर यू? And where are you from? Where are you from? And only one person tell me, ठीक है? You stand up. You stand up, Mr. Himesh. You stand up. Yes. Where are you from?
I came from Khaspara.
Yes. Please sit down. Please stand up. Urpita Soren. Yes. What is your name?
My name is Arpita Soren.
Yes. Where are you from?
I came from.
Tell me.
I came from.
Yes.
Pune.
Yes. And what is your father name?
Agostan Soren.
No, fool. My father name is.
My father name is Agostan Soren.
Yes. Please sit down. Parinita Soren. Please stand up. What is your name?
My name is Parinita Soren.
Yes. Where are you from?
I came from Khayapuni.
Yes. What is your father name?
My father name is Chapatane.
Yes. ठीक है. Please sit down. गीता उठ जाओ. What is your name? जोर से बोलो. What is your name?
What is your name?
No. Yes. What is your name?
My name is.
रंगाओ कमियान. जोर. What is your name?
My name is Vitakura.
Yes. What is your father name?
My father name is Nagendra.
Yes. जोर से कमियान. Please sit down. Down. Please stand up. Stand up. What is your name?
My name is Tirangora.
Yes. Please sit down. Please sit down. Please Julie stand up. Stand up. What is your name?
My name is Dilisra.
Yes. Please come here. Please come here. Please come here. Yes. Turn to right. Turn right. Turn right. 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 Yes. Where are you from? You don't know? You don't know? Please go there. Please go there. And come here. Please come here. Yes. Please go there. Please go there and touch the wall. Please go there and touch the wall. Wall. Obala. Touch. Yes. Please come here. Come here. Back return. Please stand. You go and please touch the wall. You go and please touch the wall. Again. Yes. And you return to back here. You return to back here. Yes. Yes. Do you understand? Do you understand? Yes. Please sit down. Sanjita Akula, please stand up. Come here. Yes. Go there and touch the wall. Again go there and touch the wall. And return to back here. Yes. Go there and return to back here. Please sit down. Tuti, you stand up. Stand up. Please come here. Please come here. Come here, please. Come here. Here. Please come here. Yes. Go there and touch the wall. Touch the wall. Touch the wall. Touch. Yes. And return to back here. Yes. And you again go there. And return to back here. Do you understand? Yes or no? Do you understand? Yes or no? Yes? Yes. Bolo yes.
Yes.
And yes, please sit down. Go there and take a seat. Okay. Budhni Kora, please stand up. Please come here. What is your name? Oi. What is your name?
My name is Budhni Kora.
Yes. What is your father name? जोर से बोलो. My father name is.
My father name is Madhu Kora.
Yes. In which class do you read in?
3.
Yes, I read in. Bolo, I read in
I read
class.
3.
Yes. Oh, please stop. All stop. Please silence. Go there. Okay. Go there. Touch the wall and back to return here. Okay. And return to back here. Okay. And again, you again go there and touch the wall and return to back here. Come back here. Yes. Do you understand? Please sit down. Please sit down. आ जाओ. नंदिनी कुड़ा. Please come here. Yes. Tell me, what is your name?
My name is Madhu Kora.
Yes. What is your father name?
My father name is Raju Kora.
Yes. Where are you from?
I from Rangavati.
Yes. And in which class do you read in?
I read
Class?
class 6.
Yes. Yes. How many teacher do you have? Do you know? How many teacher in your school? How many teacher? How मतलब in कुलिंग तरह? How many teacher are there in your school? मतलब आपे स्कूल रे चिन आंडे आपे स्कूल रे चिंती टीचर मिला को लाम का भैया I have या we have 10 teacher in our school.
We have 10 teachers
In our school.
in our school.
Yes. Go there. Please touch the wall and come back here. Okay. And again you can go now. Again you go there. And again you go there and touch the wall. And please return to back here. Okay. Do you understand?